So if you're anywhere near the cybersecurity space, you've definitely heard the acronym XDR being thrown around. But what does it actually mean? Well, today we're going to break down extended detection and response. And for this explainer, we're drawing from a really insightful report by Bob Slovic at Virtualization Options LLC, a Colorado-based research, education, and advisory group. They've really laid out why XDR isn't just another buzzword, it's a massive shift in how we approach cyber threats.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about the security gaps that made something like XDR so necessary in the first place. Then, we'll get right into what it is and how it connects all the dots. After that, we'll cover the real-world advantages, and finally, we'll look ahead to the future of cybersecurity.
You know, to really get why XDR matters, we have to first understand what's broken. And the simple truth is, our traditional security tools are really struggling to keep up. They're hitting a wall.
Yeah, we are so far beyond simple computer viruses now. Attackers are using incredibly advanced, sneaky tactics to get inside our networks, and they're getting better and better at covering their tracks every single day.
I mean, just think about a modern company's setup. You've got data on laptops, servers in the office, and apps spread across maybe 2, 3, or even more cloud providers. All of that complexity creates blind spots, these little gaps that attackers absolutely love to exploit. Trying to secure every single point of access has become a total nightmare for security teams.
And that is exactly the problem XDR was built to solve. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's a completely new, unified way of thinking, designed for the controlled chaos of modern IT.
Okay, so the most important thing to get here is that XDR isn't just another tool, it's a platform. Its entire purpose is to unify all your security tools by pulling in data from everywhere, connecting the dots between seemingly random events, and finally, getting rid of those dangerous blind spots for good.
So you might be wondering, okay, but how is this different from what I already have? Good question. You probably know EDR, which just looks at endpoints, your laptops and servers. XDR takes that same idea and blows it up to cover your entire IT infrastructure. And unlike a SIEM, which is mostly about collecting logs for a human to analyze later, XDR is built to take action. It's all about automated detection and, maybe most importantly, response.
Okay, so that's the what. But what about the how? How does XDR actually piece this whole puzzle together? Let's walk through it. It really all starts with the data. XDR is designed to pull in information from basically everywhere. Endpoints, cloud workloads, network traffic, your email system, even user identity systems. This is the extended part of the name in action. It's built to see the whole picture, not just tiny pieces of it.
Now, once it has all that data, it runs it through this incredibly powerful 4-step process. First, it ingests it and gets it all into a standard format. Then, and this is where the magic happens, it uses AI and machine learning to analyze everything, looking for suspicious patterns a human analyst would almost certainly miss. After that, it prioritizes the real threats from all the noise, so your team isn't chasing down dead ends. And finally, it responds, either automatically shutting down a threat or giving an analyst a step-by-step guide to neutralize it fast.
So what's the bottom line here? What are the real, tangible benefits of actually bringing in an XDR strategy?
Well, first of all, the industry is betting big on this. The market is projected to just explode to over $2 billion by 2028. That's a huge signal that organizations see this as an absolutely critical investment, not just a nice-to-have.
And the advantages are just crystal clear. Because you finally have that full visibility, threat detection gets way better. Automation slashes your response times from hours or even days down to minutes. And your security team gets way more efficient because they're working from one place instead of trying to juggle a dozen different tools. It all just adds up to a smarter, faster, and believe it or not, often more cost-effective way to do security.
But look, XDR is a huge leap forward, but it's not the final destination. It's really just the beginning of a brand new chapter in cybersecurity. So, what's coming next?
As the report from Virtualization Options LLC puts it so well, XDR is becoming a cornerstone. It's the foundation that future security strategies are going to be built on. It's not just a product, it's a fundamental change in strategy.
And you can already see that foundation evolving. We're going to see much deeper integrations with automation platforms, AI that can actually start to predict attacks before they even launch, and data collection from all sorts of new places, like IoT devices. The end goal here is to have these powerful, flexible, cloud-native platforms that can adapt to any threat that comes along.
So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. In a world where everything in your organization is connected, from the cloud servers to your employees' phones,
It really only makes sense that your security should be just as connected. The question you have to ask yourself is it? Thanks for tuning in.